What is vampire drain? It's the silent killer of your Tesla's battery, even when parked. Your Model Y consumes power for essential systems like the onboard computer, telematics, and security. We'll explain why it happens and how much energy it typically consumes. As of 2026, the latest Model Y configurations see standby drain as low as 2 to 3 watts, but this can vary based on settings and environment. Putting your Model Y to sleep minimizes this drain. This doesn't fully shut down the car, but places it in a low power state. We'll bust common misconceptions. Sleep mode isn't an off switch. It's a power saving mode that allows for quick restarts using the key fob or app. The Model Y automatically enters sleep mode after 2 to 3 hours of inactivity. However, there are methods to manually trigger this process. Here's how to manually put your Model Y to sleep. In software versions 2025 and later, you can initiate sleep mode directly. First, hold the brake pedal to access the vehicle's controls. Then, select Sleep from the software menu on the touchscreen. Make sure your 12-volt battery is charged above 12.5 volts before initiating sleep. In the 2025.14 update, Tesla added a deep sleep toggle in the vehicle's settings. Activating this manually initiates sleep without waiting for automatic triggers. Real-world examples show the impact of sleep mode on Tesla Model Y battery life. A Model Y owner in Minnesota faced significant battery drain in cold weather due to Sentry mode running continuously. After installing the V2025-14 software update and manually activating deep sleep mode, the daily battery drain reduced dramatically from 20% to just 2%. Broader studies indicate that Model Y owners who consistently use sleep mode save an average of 15 to 25 miles of driving range each week, translating to significant cost savings. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has stated that vampire drain is largely solved with new software updates. To optimize sleep, manually enable sleep and deep sleep modes. Turn off energy-draining features like Sentry mode, dog mode, and camp mode. EV experts emphasize that full optimization requires user education about these settings. Future trends in energy optimization for the Tesla Model Y include AI-driven systems in full self-driving software that predict and adjust sleep cycles based on user behavior patterns. This intelligent approach learns from daily routines to minimize vampire drain more effectively than manual methods. Looking ahead, future Model Y models will incorporate advanced machine learning algorithms to reduce vampire drain to near zero levels, using sophisticated battery management and predictive AI. Additionally, Tesla is working on solar-powered trickle charging through optional solar roof panels, which will offset any remaining drain by generating sustainable energy even while the vehicle sleeps. Common mistakes can significantly impact your Tesla Model Y's battery life. Many owners don't realize how features like Sentry mode affect vampire drain. First common mistake, not understanding Sentry mode's impact. This security feature keeps cameras recording constantly, which uses power even when parked. Second mistake, forgetting to turn off scheduled charging and preconditioning. These features wake the car at set times, preventing it from entering deep sleep mode. Third mistake, failing to maintain the 12-volt battery. If it's below 12.5 volts, the car can't enter sleep mode, leading to excessive vampire drain. By avoiding these mistakes and properly managing your Model Y's features, you'll improve battery health and ensure longer vehicle longevity.